Good morning everybody. Welcome to Madness Manor and another video on the ARC. Not Noah's Ark, but the ARC Brompton. It's about batteries, battery connection and the battery bag adapter, which is one of the features which I really love about this ARC bike, is the fact I can use any Brompton bag with the ARC battery system. This is the ARC battery mounting block. It has a maximum 10 kilo load, and you can ride with, this is the Bosch battery I bought the other day, you can ride with, I just won't connect it gently, just with the battery on. I believe ARC do a silicone cover for the battery. I'll pick one up when I'm in there in a couple of weeks time. That's your battery at rest. That's your battery connected and you're ready to go. To unlock the battery, this is on mine, I don't know, this isn't a brand new conversion, so I don't know about the new ones. Click that up twice, click the battery off. Bosch 4 amp hour 36 volt battery. So I've got two of those. The other thing I've got is this ARC bag stroke battery adapter. If I stand the tripod on the table, and I'll try to have you in view so you can see what I'm doing without rattling about too much. So this is a Ortlieb Brompton O bag, full size. I did well with that. I picked this up brand new from Brompton in 2018 for 90 quid. This is the ARC battery connector. I'm going to have a sit down. So this is the ARC battery connector. That's the bit that clips into the bag, and that's the bit that clips onto the ARC. No, it doesn't. That's the bit that clips to the battery. In fact, let's do that. Let's clip that to the battery. Job's a good one. Over centre, there's an over centre catch there which locks in, that locks the battery in place. There's a little button on these Bosch batteries. You can press that, you can press that, you can press that allegedly. I did it the other day on that one as well. You press that. Oh, it has lit up to give you a three bar battery level indicator. Press that. Oh, it's on. It's the sun, I can't see it. Honest, it's on. Right. Because of the weight of the batteries, because of the flexibility and the balance of the Ortlieb bag, that was another reason I wanted two batteries. It relieves battery anxiety, and and having two batteries will balance in the bag. So we'll put one in. The reason I'm using this bag is because we're off to King's Lynn next week yet again, and I wasn't going to King's Lynn to take a Brompton. I was going to go to King's Lynn, take a big bike and do some more stuff in Norfolk. As it happens, I've got this, so I'm going to take this and do the rides I did on the Brompton electric last week. So the other battery, you slip it into this pocket with the adapter. It does fit because I've tried it. I don't know what it's caught on. It's caught on this thing in here. There it goes. You didn't think that was going to work, did you? So, neither did I. Right. So that's 2 batteries on the ARC. Oh. I've turned the bag over because this is got to slide into there. Before I slide it into there, you've got to know there's a location piece there which locates into the Brompton adapter. On this bag, on the other bags you have to poke your hand up behind the frame to release the battery adapter. On this bag you can't do that because it's too rigid and fixed. So what I had to do is slide a knife, a blunt knife, through there, which comes out through this hole here and presses this bit there. This is quite a bit of a tight fit on there, so I don't know if it'll click or not. So that's the ARC adapter and the batteries in the bag, ready to drop onto the bike, which go like that. So there we have the Ortlieb O bag. I don't know if any of you know, but the Ortlieb O bag is totally waterproof, and those raw Ortlieb bags, they are waterproof, there's no shadow of a doubt. So that's on the bike. We've got the light on there, power this up, Bluetooth lights come on, the auto light is on, we're on level 2, so at that we're ready to go. That's all I wanted to show you guys. All I wanted to show you was the Ortlieb waterproof bag, because we're in the height of British summer and it's going to lag it down with rain later on, and it's going to lag it down with rain all week, and we're off to Kings Lynn in the Billingo to do a bit of camping, bit of looking, bit of wandering, but also to take this ARC on the same routes I did on the electric Brompton on the last trip and bring you back with a comparison. I'm keeping quiet on my ultimate thoughts because as of yet I've absolutely no criticism, but bear in mind this is an old bike, an old kit. I'll know more when I've got down to ARC next week and I've managed to sort of see what they've got and talk about it. I looked on the net, I don't look at the internet, this is as far as I go on the internet. But by God, it's looking brilliant. For comparison, I did weigh them. No, I'm not going to tell you about the weights, that's another video. Thank you for watching, thumbs up. Thank you for the 1,000 subscribers yet again. Thank you for watching my little video I did, thanking you all for my 1,000 subscribers, thanking every one of you, every 1,000 of you. I'm sorry it's a bit of a dark, hazy video, but it was at night. It was in the summer house here at Madness Manor, and it was raining, it was horrible, and I used my phone, and all, but the essence of the video was to express my sincere thanks to you. So once again guys, give me a like, thumbs up business, please subscribe. The next ones you'll see, I guess, will be on this in Kings Lynn. There may be a couple of little shorts on my phone on the way to Kings Lynn, because I like to stop and look at places on the way through, and I've got 2 or 3 places on my list to stop and have a look at. So once again, thank you guys, and catch you again.